What is everyone? This is Motorz here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox keeps on crashing on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting the Roblox crashing error on your phone, the easiest way to basically fix this is click into the Roblox app and click into the eye. You can go into the settings from the app settings also, but this is usually the easier way to get here or the faster way. Once you're in here, click into storage and cache and press clear cache. You should also do clear storage, but just an FYI, this will log you out. So just an FYI, if you are like you don't remember your username and password, try to get that set up first before you do this. The next thing to do is in here, go to mobile data usage and press the unrestricted mobile data usage, turn that on. You need this on as well as part of this fix that you're basically trying to do. The next thing to do is force stop. This is like a hard reset on the app itself. Usually doing this will fix a lot of these crashes from happening moving forward. The next or final thing you need to do is basically press archive. It essentially uninstalls the app, but again, it also will log you out as well. It's like a soft uninstall basically. It won't delete it from the phone, but it just uninstalls it. You press it again and it just reinstalls it right then and there. But yeah, that's basically once you follow these steps, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, if you guys are already up, please go on channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motorz out. Peace.